Welcome to our English language class, and our focus is going to be on English sound, and we are going to center on short vowel sound. But let us define vowel sound, or what is vowel sound. Vowel sounds are those English sounds that are produced without any form of friction against the air from the mouth organ. So, and our focus is on short E sound. Short E sound takes the position of letter A, it takes the position of letter E, it takes the position of letter I, it takes the position of letter O, it takes the position of letter U, it takes the position of IU, and it also takes position of letter Y in most English words. For example, we have the word village, we have the word pretty, we have the word English, then we also have the word beat, we have the word seat, we have the word women, we have the word busy, we have the word bead, we have the word city, and so forth. For example, when we talk of village, we can say that village is, so the letter A here takes the position of this letter I, and that's why it is pronounced as village, not village. Then we also talk about pretty. Pretty. The letter E here takes the position of I, and then E sound, the letter Y takes the position of I, E sound. Then also the English, the letter E here takes the position of E and Then now talk of E sound. So this is English. Then we also talk about the word beat. Very simple to transcribe. Then we also have the word seat. Very simple to transcribe. The letter I here sound as E. Then the word women can also be transcribed as. So if you notice very well, the letter O here takes the position of E sound. So it stands as E. Then the letter E also stands as E, and it is pronounced as women, not women. Then the word busy, as we pronounce it, busy. So you find out that the letter U here sounds as E, and the letter Y here sounds as E. Then the word bead. So it is not building, it is bead, not build. Bead. The letter UI here stands as E, or takes E's position. Then city, as we pronounce it, sounds as city. So the letter I here stands as E, and the letter Y here also sound as E. So these are some of the English words. Then also take note, most English words that end with means also takes E sound. For example, we also have the word madness.